Hello and welcome. I'm Neha Bajaj and we're at the etnow.in Reality Conclave and Business Awards West Edition 2026. And I have with me a winner, Ms. Snehal Kanade, who is the design head of West Zone Tribeca Developers, and the brand has won the award for Luxury Developer of the Year. Many congratulations.
Thank you very much.
So, how does it feel with the recognition that your brand has gotten today with this award and this platform?
I think an award is like a token or a proof that you have done something. And I think Tribeca, the essence of the organization is design centric. They are into creating products that will stand even beyond after. Like it's a legend that you're creating for the city. And I think in luxury, I think we spoke a lot in the event about being iconic, being luxury.
Yeah.
And I think this developer is truly doing it to the city of Mumbai.
Absolutely, and that what sets the brand apart as well. Okay, so Snehal, talking about the Western India's real estate, it's constantly changing, evolving. There are a lot of buyers. So, what's the most important shift that you are seeing today that will also impact in the next 10 years in the terms of luxury residences, in particularly Mumbai, if I talk about?
So I think the buyer of Mumbai is a very learned, well-traveled buyer. So
Okay.
it's like we have NRI buyers, we have local buyers, we have investors. So I think it's a very established market here in Mumbai. So it's not like you can just do anything and call it luxury. They have
Yeah.
well-traveled, they know what is luxury, and I think it's a responsibility of the developer to deliver what they have seen and what they are committing, because the product is not seen when people are investing money. It is after 5 to 7 years, and it is in the dream that they are dreaming with you, that you are
Yeah.
giving a best product to them. So I think it's a responsibility.
Absolutely. And my last question to you, one of the deliverables of a developer is also a timely delivery.
Correct.
Speed, scale, sustainability, timely delivery, matching the expectations of the buyers as well. So your take on that, and how is your brand matching up to the expectations of these learned buyers and investors?
So I think for a delivery of a project, it starts from the concept to delivery. So I think timely design, choosing your right products, choosing the right partners who are running at the pace with yours, and choosing the right construction team. I think it's a step-by-step journey towards delivering the product. So I think doing responsibly everything right in time will give you a right result. So I think you just have to align at every step.
Absolutely, very well answered and explained. So thank you so much, Snehal, for talking
you.
to us and sharing the wonderful insights, and many congratulations once again.
Thank you very much.